Though I've got the idea of golf on my mind, I'm trying to be a love guru here. So, since I did a share on love a few weeks back, and I saw a lot of pictures change on with the mention and the share of the epitome of love, Taj Mahal in our country, the very mention of it, and of course, the Taj Mahal chai, which I am sipping right now. I saw a few pictures change and a couple of messages. Actually, not a couple, a lot of messages coming in for love and all that. So, indirectly, I know that people were interested in this concept of talking about love, and coincidentally, a home improvement idea that I did also turned out to be something very similar to these lines. And once it was implemented, it looked like in the summers and all that, that particular zone would actually be like this area, one of the areas of Taj Mahal, or a little like these glasses, which I see a lot of people are complimenting me on and stuff and all. Okay. So now this is not about me, this is about things you love. So the previous video was about Mere Jeevan Saathi, प्यार किए जा जवानी दीवानी खूबसूरत जिद्दी पड़ोसन सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम satyam shivam sundaram. So the concept of love, I was like, should I not? It's going to be the end of the world. This feeling of Christmas, joy, fun, excitement, and celebrations is all around us and stuff. And it's not just about it's not about love between people. It's also about love for the world, love for animals, love for your parents, love for grandparents, love for your nephews, nieces, your pets. Of course, true love, love for your partner, love for your children, and love for anybody and everything, love for the world, love for anything. Okay, so, but the point is, how do you know what is love and what's not love? Okay, so there are two ways that things turn out. You lose a thing. It's so true, you lose a thing, you try and replace it with something else that you lost, and then you're happy. So it's like, you lost a pet dog, or you lost your cat, or you lost something many years back, and then you are not with it, and then you replace it and you get a new puppy or a cat, and then all the memories and all the love and everything just comes back, and life starts feeling better and brighter and stuff. Okay, you lose a thing, it doesn't disappear when it's replaced, and you feel the presence of it and stuff and all that. You get used to the idea of not being with it, but you want to replace it and stuff. So we are believing that we are not supposed to let go of the things because they make us feel sad. But the point is that we don't want to let go of stuff that's making us sad because we're scared of being happy. You have to be used to this. I don't want to lose my friend because if she goes away, I don't want to lose my partner if my relationship is not working because I'm so used to the idea of being with him, the security I get with him. The world knows me with him or her, and of course, all that, all whatever that comes with it. But the point is that that's not the love that is keeping you together. It's something else. Okay. So then there is this idea of living with a ghost where crafting an idea is what you need to let go of because you're holding on to the idea, or you're filling a space or a security, or sorry, so, you're holding on to a space or an insecurity that someone out there is going to fix something about you which you actually need to fix about yourself. So recently there was this thing about Jennifer Lopez. So she did a like a interesting talk on her love life and everything, and she talked about the rings, and she talked about the men making all those grand gestures and everything and all, and nobody was able to live up to her expectations of love and everything. But I could see this, that it was not about the men, it's actually about her. So this kind of makes me think about it, that probably it's not her. I mean, it's not them, it's her. She needs to work on herself and stuff, because she wants someone or the other to kind of fix something in her, which rather she must work on herself and all. We love heartbreak, we love sadness. Oh, ho, by Indian movies, so are made on this that Devdas movie, I tell you. The sadness, the music, the depression, the drunk thing, the poetry, all that. We love heartbreak, we love putting ourselves through that shitty दुख हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, पेन हो रहा है, ट्रॉमा मिल रहा है, बेचारा बीमार है, अनस्टेबल है, दुखी है, तो इट्स माई जॉब टू फिक्स हिम, इट्स माई जॉब टू मेक हिम हैप्पी. I must put myself through this. But the point is, you don't have to. You don't have to. I mean, you don't have to unless and until things have gone wrong after you were in a relationship and everything and all, and true love is there. Okay. So we are nostalgic about things that have never happened, but we forget to be grateful for things before us, which are in the present times. We start thinking and missing things which we've never had, and we start creating in our minds realities that we could, and that's an altered reality. Yeah. So somebody told me at my workplace, this guy was like 9 years older, and many years back a friend of mine and I reconnected, used to work together. She told me that you never ever realize that the guy was actually a narcissist. And I went for therapy for this, mind you. I'm sharing something personal here. I went for therapy for this because I thought I was the problem. Actually, it turned out he was the one who was the one who had a problem. And I mean, I had to go for a little bit, like 2-3 sessions, or maybe 2 weeks or a session or whatever, because I was so young I couldn't understand. Because before that, I already only worked in professional setups and stuff, and this was one agency where the culture was different and stuff, and he was older, and all the attention and all the joking and everything, I couldn't handle it. And once I quit and stuff, it was a different story. So it turned out that we found out that he was a narcissist and there's something wrong with him and all. And he was chasing this whole idea of wanting to be in love in spite of the fact that he was already married and a child. And I was like sitting there telling him that, you're doing something wrong. You shouldn't be even hitting on me, or you shouldn't be even in a relationship or hitting on other women and stuff, because it's a karma thingy is going to come back, and your child is going to find out and stuff, and it's not a very good thing to do and stuff. So this is something which he was creating an alter reality. And I still remember that comment or statement. He told me that I'm his alter ego, so he wanted to be something like that. I don't know what it was. So coming back to the topic, the things that are easy replaced are the ones we aren't attached to, because we are so used to replacement. तो एक बचपन में डायलॉग होता था कि लड़की और लड़कियां और बस में एक सिमिलैरिटी है, क्या है कि एक जाती है और एक आती है, लाइक. तो वो अभी भी एक जोक है, बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल फंक्शन लाइक दैट. ठीक है यार, ये नहीं पटी तो कोई और पट जाएगी. So that's the way some minds function and stuff and all that. So they don't want to get attached very easily, because they don't have to rely on one girl or one man. Yeah. So then so this was something which I really really like about this author, and I relate with this, that author once told me, or friend once told me, that the secret to finding love was not actually to look for it, but to actually work on yourself and fix things or heal things within yourself, which are actually preventing you from seeing and receiving it. And I think this is something which is the biggest lesson, and I think I helped a friend of mine also go through this. So I'm going to go on video 3 for this, because this is the biggest success story, or this is the best positive story which has happened in my circle. And without taking a name, I'm going to share it so that other people are inspired, that you can find someone or the other, or the person for yourself at any age or stage, if you're not looking for it, and if you are willing to work on yourself and you change your attitude from a negative attitude to a positive attitude. So hold your horses. For those who've been looking at Taj Mahal, love does happen at any stage, at any age, and how life changes with that is something which was really surprising and shocking for me. And as I'm going to be sharing that with a lot of my friends, because she's one of my dearest friends in Delhi NCR, it's also something for people like me who are happily single and not looking, that life में कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, and those who are not happy or those who are extremely happy, God bless you all, and may your relationships and your journeys go even better and stuff and all. Okay, so I'll be back with video 3. Bye bye.